Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I don't know where you are watching with. This is another day. I'm creating what a white graphic solution. So I'll show you how I designed this birthday flyer. So that's what I'll do. Kindly like, subscribe to my channel. So let's do that. Let's start the designs. So you create a new file, here. Just create a new file. So I've already created a new file. It's 4x5, so 4x5. I already created a new file here. This is it. Let's close it. Let's go back. So this is the new file. So this is the background. This is the picture, the main picture. I'll show you how I do this. So I cannot just find this picture on my picture because of time. So I'll use this one. I'll use another picture to teach you how you can remove background on your Photoshop. So I'll teach you how you can remove background on Photoshop. Let's check this one. Let's go and make the picture that we want to use for the removing background. Let's do this like this. Do this like this. Edit load. So I will show you. Let me see the picture we can use to remove the background. Coming in. So let's search for the picture. Let me look for the picture that I can use. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. So I use this one. You can scale it like this. So let me remove the background. You can select subjects, or you can click here. But I'm using Photoshop 2025, so I don't know your own version. So you can go to selection. You can see you select object here. You see object, you select it, so you can use. So let's do the one you can do here. So if you are using Photoshop 2025, you see these pictures, select object and remove background. So let's use select object. You allow Photoshop to do the needful. So let's wait. You can see it. Let's zoom it very well. We use a control plus again to zoom it. You can see it. I think Photoshop is doing a good job here. It remove the background very well for us. One thing we do is just use your Control J to duplicate it, so you have this place. That's it. So if you want to edit, let me show you. You can see the picture. This picture I've already updated. You don't need to edit it, but I'll use this picture to teach you how you can edit. You just go to your filters, go to camera filters, just put a little touch on the picture, so nothing much about that. Let it load like this. You can give him some structure. Use your contrast very well. You come down like this, you see effect, you see the texture, you increase it like this. Because the picture is already back, you don't need to increase the clarity. Come down, you check for your details here. You see details. Drag it to 28. You can see the picture is already there, so it gives you some noise. You don't need to be sharpened so much. You go back to your basic again. I think we want to give him some light. Give him some light like this. You can see it. The shadow small. You can increase the light. I think this is okay. You can press OK. You can see it. This is before. This is after. You can see it. It's already. Let me zoom it very well. You can see it. So that is how you can remove background in Photoshop So I'm not using this picture particular, so if I want to use these pictures, I'll just give you some light. So this is not the main subject we want to use now. Let's click on our male verifier, black diamond. Happy birthday. Once again, this is one of the creative design tool. It's doing graphic design tool. So next thing you want to do is you see this here, you create layout mask. That's it. Go to your brush, you press your cap lock, you increase it. So you see I'll show the way you increase your brush and you just decrease your brush. I'll show you. See in the side, the screen. I'll show you that. So let's brush this down first. Can brush it. Let your foreground color should be black. Don't need to do too much because we want to place our text here. I think that one is fine. One thing I want to do now is that you can see these lights. So I want this light to reflect on the body and just this part only. What we want to do is that you go to your adjustment layers. You can see that you go to your solid color. So before we do that, let's select the color here. Pick the color here. I just want to pick the color. You can see the color. You can see the color code I use. I copy the color code I use. That is fine. So go to your adjustment layer again. Solid color. So this is you can see the color code again. That one is fine. So after that, you go to your. You can see this place. You write normal. You click on it. You press soft light. After soft light, you press on the layer mouse. You can see layer mouse thumbnail. You convert it. Use Ctrl+I to convert. You can see it like this. Set your foreground color to white. And you pick your brush. You see your flow. I think the 79 is okay. 79 is okay. You decrease your brush. So let's click mask our color. So let's start the effect on the side of the light and the belly boy. So let's start it. Just gently. You can see it. It's already appear on the body. You can see it. Just doing it gently. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it again. You can see it. Very sure. So you use another color again. Go to your adjustment layer. Solid color, same color. You can see the same color code. You click on it. First of all, before we do that, you go to your turn into soft light. After soft light, you use your Ctrl+I to convert it. So mask it. Right click again. You find your blending option. After the blending option, you like the blending option to load. Just want to do something there. You leave it at soft light like this, and the opacity is okay. So what you just press your Alt on your keyboard. Increase this. You can leave it to 23. And I think that is fine. So you can see the light is now coming out very well. So I'm not just normal one. You let the light show up. So let your foreground color should be white here. So let's start it. More shiny blue on the body, on the side. No, nothing much. You can see. So if it is very much, you can use the opacity to reduce it like this. Check the second one too. Reduce it like this. You can see it. I think that one is fine. That one is fine. So as you see, this is our design like this. Next thing we want to do is let's bring our text. This is the main design we want to do. You copy it, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. So this is it. One thing before we do this one thing I want us want to do is that let's check this black diamond text first. We want to fade this color. You see how to fade this. Let's do it. Do it here. You create a new layers. Create a new layers. How do I create a layer? Because I just want to create a new layers so not be distracted so without getting you went to your gradient fields. You can see it. You choose this particular one, foreground to transparent. You click on it. So before we do that, let's go check. And see this one, click on it. You pick the color here. And this place you pick the color. So this is the color code. You press OK. There is the color code. You go back to your gradient fields again. You check again. Let your foreground to transparent should be aligned before you start your gradient field. So let's drag it up like this. You can see it. No need to be much. Something like this. It's okay. You can see it. You can see it. That one is fine. So let's on the text again. This is the text we want to use. So you can see the name of the text, Allura. You can download it on Google, search for Allura font, or you can use any font you like. It should also be the same thing. So you can see it. This is the font, Allura. So you check it. That is it. So the next thing you want to use is let's bring our date. Let's bring our date. This is our date. You Ctrl C to view, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. So that is it. That's it. You can see the fonts I use. You can use many fonts you like. Many fonts you like. So we'll go back to the black diamond text. You press Ctrl P. You can see this place is showing aligning horizontal center. So you click on it, align to Photoshop will align everything. You can see the align all this. You press Ctrl D to select, or you see this here to deselect, or you go back to your settings. You can see deselect the layers. So because I'm using Photoshop 2025, that's why the picture is very like this. Fine. You can drag it up like this. So Ctrl A again, centralize it, Ctrl D to deselect. So we want to put a line here. You check this place, there's a line, and so I'll show you how I do it. So you right click here, you see the ellipse tool, right click here, you see the option, rectangle, ellipse tools, triangle, polygon tools, line. So this is the particular one we want to use, line tools. You click on it. So you check this place. You see the stroke. You not put the color here because you want to use the line. You can leave it here like this too. See the color. You check that it's on the color that you want to use. So that is fine. So you zoom your jobs like this. So you view this very well so you can see what you are doing. You hold your shift. So I think this is okay. do is okay. Do is okay like this. So click here like this. You can see it. You've already, you press here, you right click here, rasterize it. So that one is fine. You can copy it, Ctrl J, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. But this shortcut, you use Ctrl J. You can see it, you already copy it. You use your Ctrl T. So you can hold it like this, hold your shift. Why I hold my shift is I want the two lines to be aligned together. You can see it. So that is okay. Press OK. So if you check, you can see that I aligned the two. You can see the two of them is aligned already. So that is it. I think we finished for that part. What next we want to do is that we want to write the +1. You can see here. We use +1 here. We use +1 here. So that's what we want to do now. What we do is go back to your, you can see this here, go back to your ellipse tools. You can press U on your keyboard. So you press Shift, so you can be accurate very well like this. Can be accurate. You can see the particular one, the one we are doing before. So you can check it like this. So you can press Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. With another shortcut is Ctrl G, done with it. So, or you can check here, you can see here, duplicate layers. You can click down to duplicate, that one is working too. Anyone that is suit for you, will work for you. It's fine. So one thing we want to do is that we want to do this one like this. So we align it together, make sure everything is aligned. You can see it, everything is aligned. So you can click on it. We want this color. This is the color. You can copy it, right click here. This is how you can copy your colors. You can see the color, copy shape, attributes. Click on it, you already copy it. So you can copy it like this. You can see it. It's already. So let me show you how this is the color code. You achieve here. Click on this. Double click it. You can see the color code. Copy the color code. You can use it, or you can use any color you like. So you go back to the second one again. Double click it again. See the color code. So that is it. That is how I achieve that. So nothing much. That's how I achieve that. What you want to do again is that you want to clean this part. You can see this part. You check if you see the main design. You can see the main design. You clean this part. You want to clean this part. So you can give a room for this +1. So that's it. Once you alight on it, you press your layer mount. So let your foreground color should be black. You see the brush, you will increase it. Okay, so you can see, so you start to brush this part. That's it. Start brushing this part. That's it. These are all done. That's how I achieve level of doing the text. Okay. So you can Ctrl V. So this one to this display that you can see it. If you want to write the text, use these horizontal types tools you can use. You can press on the keyboard T on the keyboard. So that is it. So we want to write +1. Let's put the text again. Like +1. And check the right click to see the option that you want to do. So you'll not be doing the mistakes. Won't be doing the mistakes. So just click on it. Click on it. Let it do like this. You can press +1. +1. That's it. So go back to your character text. That's it. I don't want this one. Let me choose medium. No, I don't want this one. Let me use regular. I think regular is fine for me. You can decrease it like this. Make it small. That's it like this. So you can click this. So make it look center. That's it. What you want to do is that I want to do this particular. Let me zoom it so you can see it. I want to do this particular. So we want to achieve it here. So let's zoom on just so you can let me zoom it very well so you can see what I'm doing. So you see right here, you press your mouse right click. After right click, you see WAP text. You click on it. You bring the option here like this. You see now you can see many pictures on it. What you want to do is this. You see arc. You press on it. You see the bend. You decrease it like this. Make it suitable. That's it. So it should be fitting the what you want to achieve. No need to be too much. Click OK. You can see it. You can see it like this. So this is fine. This is how you achieve this. How you achieve this. So I think we'll make it smaller again. You click all the details, all the button. You click it on it. You can make it smaller like this. So it should be. I think it's okay like this. And that one is fine. So hello guys, this is Y Graphics. Thank you for watching this video. So can you subscribe, like and share to this channel so I can be giving you more videos like this. So let's go back to the one thing we want to do is that let's go and bring our this particular text which is text retriever. So we can choose anything you like. So let me copy, Ctrl C to copy, go back to the design, Ctrl V to paste. So you can see it. Let's let it be there like this. So another thing we want to do now is you can see this body. You can see this body. So we want to achieve this one too. Let me. You can see it like this. So let's go back. Bring our text. You can see it like this. Happy birthday. Can bring it here like this. You can see it. You can bring it here like this. I think we'll still make this picture to come down small. Come down small. So we press Ctrl A to highlight everything. So So I think that one is okay. Control D to deselect. So let's make this mini picture like this. In picture to come down small. So we check everything, align everything. So we will not be dragging. So we press Ctrl T, sit. You can see it should be fitting like this. I think this is okay. So that one is fine. So I'll give this one run again. Ctrl A to make it aligned. You can see Ctrl D to deselect. So that's fine. So we check the main design. You can see the crowd. Yeah, I'll show you how I achieve that one too. So you create a new layer. So go to your brush. First of all, let your foreground color should be white. First of all, it should be white. Click OK. After that, go to your brush. You locate. Let it be on brush like this. You can press B for shortcuts. So you can see the crowd. You can see the crowd. So let's search for the crowd. You can see the crowd. So you can see the name Resources Boy Cloud Brush. You can download on Google. Just search this name Resources Boy Cloud Brush on Google. So you bring this site. You can download this. So you can install it on your Photoshop. So let's look for one. You can see it. You decrease it like you can see it. I want to do this one. Let's check another one. You have different brush. Can you one brush? So light. Can see it. Can see it. Shining colors. I think the number one is okay for me. So you can press this outside like this. You reduce it. You just reduce it like this. Let's replace it, click it and you can see it. Move it up like this. You can reduce it like this a little bit. It has to be much. You can reduce it like this. You can reduce the opacity. You see here the opacity. I reduce it to 48. I think 47 is okay. So that is it. Our design is already complete like that. So the main one thing I just want to bring now, can see it. The main one thing. This is the cursive. So I'm doing it for my fellow designer, Black Diamond. So happy birthday once again. So bring it. Let me put it here. Can see it. Just put it here. So one thing I want to bring this effect. You can see this effect. You check it very well. You can see it's everything is shiny. You can see. But I'm going to press copy. So you need that effect. If you need it, tell me in the comment section that you need it. So I can give you I can put it to the file for you so you can use it. So let's Ctrl V. You can see it. You can see the way it's shiny. So Ctrl T to adjust it very well. Okay. I think this is okay. So no need to too much. You can see make it look nice, attractive. So thank you guys. This is Birthday Flyer. We achieved it. This is how I achieved this. How I do it for my fellow designer. So you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So I want to tell you one thing is that anything you are doing, so just be consistent with it. Let nobody tell you that you can't achieve anything. So that is it. Peace out. Bye bye. Thanks for now.